All right, guys. So for you to be able to scan documents using your Canon, all you need to do right now is just to go ahead and go to your Windows Store, okay, Microsoft Store. If you don't have Microsoft Store in your Windows computer, I will be putting the link of a video where I will help you solve that problem, whereby if you can't make use of your Microsoft Store, or it's not actually opening up, or it's not downloading, I will drop the link in the description, and I will also put the link just right above. So go ahead, click on the link now. So from here, open your Microsoft Store and just search for Windows Scan. So as you can see, this is the application, the software. From here, just go ahead and click on install. And after installing this, remember guys, on our last video, we actually showed you how to install the driver of your Canon. If you are just coming right into this video from here, you have to make sure you already have your Canon printer driver installed already. If you don't know how to do that, I'll be dropping the link in the description, or I'll just link it above on this video. Okay, so you have to make sure you have that driver of the Canon printer installed before you'll be able to scan. But I've already made that video in the past, so right now we have to move ahead to the Windows Scan. Okay, from here, all you have to do right now is make sure your printer is connected to your computer and it's on power and it's turned on actually. Then from here, go ahead and just open this up, and you can see it automatically detected my scanner. So right now I just put in any document into the scanner of my Canon MG2570 series. Okay, so from here right now, I'm just going to go ahead and click on preview. And mind you, I have a document inside the scanner. Click on preview. It's going to actually, run. So you can see right now, this is actually the document I have inside the scanner. So for you to be able to scan this, you can actually just go ahead and click on show more and make sure you have the place it's gonna save. You can save the files to whatever file or folder you have. You can actually just click on this so that you can, edit it to the preferred place you would like it to be. But in my case, I would like it to be here, and I'm just going to select this folder. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead now and just click on scan. And after scanning this document, it's actually going to save a PNG copy to that folder I just selected right now. And mind you, you can actually go ahead and select the file type. You can actually put it as a JPEG, a PNG, okay, and you can actually use all these other file formats just in case it comes in handy. You want to change it, up to you. And from here right now, you can actually go ahead and view it, but I won't be doing that since you already get the idea on how to carry out this scanning functionality of the Canon PIXMA MG2570 series. Okay guys, see you guys in the next video. Peace out.